out this morning getting honked at. We're doing a self-guided tour of Hanoi, like the old quarter. Oh, is that the market? Do you think people listen to that? We made it to our first stop. It's a pagoda. You think we can go in? The weather is pretty misty, and we got to the lake and they're doing like a sound check over there for a concert of some sort. So I think we're just gonna do the lake and then maybe find lunch and then walk home, because who knows when the rain will start, and we didn't pack jackets. So see you at the bridge. To go onto the red bridge, but we paid. Oh, there's the middle of the lake pagoda. I forgot to vlog today. Like, I didn't vlog at all. We went to Bobby National Park. It was raining. It was heavy misting with lots of fog. So I did record stuff, but we didn't get like great views at the peaks just because it was foggy. We did like 100 floors, like so many stairs. And we went to like an old French church from like, I don't know, the 1800s. And then we came home and rested for a little bit. Now we're gonna go get dinner at this pho place that we've had dinner at like every night. And tomorrow's our last day. We booked a street food tour for tomorrow night, so we're gonna do that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for Vietnam. So yeah, I got to pull out my beanie because it's cold here. It's gonna have to go away when we go to Cambodia in a couple days though, because it'll be hot there again. So I'm gonna record our food tonight because I haven't done that at all. So I'll see you there.
What are you doing?
He said he wanted to vlog.
I said you wanted to vlog.
No, he said I should be vlogging this, and I said, yeah, if you want to vlog.
I don't really vlog though.
But people want you to vlog.
I'm not a vlogger.
He's so dumb. Wait. We're on a street food tour. We're on stop 3 though. I haven't been recording. We had banh mi, pho, and then now we're trying something that I can't pronounce, but it's supposed to be a spring roll type. I'll record it. It's like the first thing we haven't tried. We've tried pretty much everything else. He's too tall.
And you order bring the pancake and then you dip with the fish sauce.
Okay.
Yeah, comfort.
Thank you.
And the new chopstick.
$3,000 for a month.
We're at like the same place we were a couple days ago when we did the walking tour. So Shame's trying to get a night shot of that red bridge and the pagoda in the middle of the lake. Stop, sticky rice, and we're sitting outside on the street. We sit on these little tables outside, and Seamus is too tall. Look at that.
It's not that.
No.
They also have
Selfie stick?
selfie stick if you want a mini selfie stick.
Yeah. Jeez, we would have never found this place. Right. Too much salad? I wonder why.
The third one called chung.
There's a difference. That's what I'm saying.
Good morning. Actually, it's, what time is it? It's 11:30, it's almost noon. We're headed to the airport to go to Cambodia today. We have 6 days planned in Siem Reap right now, and that's about it. So we'll see you there.